Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I will show you how to create the movie poster in Photoshop. So let's get into it. So hello guys, my name is Danish Sumro from Danish Productions. As you know, I am new in YouTube, so please support me and enjoy my all artworks. Thank you. Now back on the point, for making a poster we need stock images from websites like Envato Elements and istock.com. So it will cost you every month subscription, but I will use free Google method. After getting all stocks, now back into the Photoshop, create a new file of poster size. Now we need a door for poster. Make the size of door big that fits. Perfect. Now we need the door open. So just it need a simple trick. You all guys spell with me. Alamora. Yeah, it worked. Now move on the next point. We need a horror and a spooky image for the background of the door. Make some darkness outside of the door using level adjustment tool. And use curves for making the image more pop. Now it's time for some light shadows to prove that the light comes inside from the door. Let's make some tiny shadows on it. It's just fine. Now time to place some eyeballs on it to make it dramatic and functional. For making some scary eyeballs, I just use simple ones. Now make the eyeballs bigger and creepy. For this poster, it will be fine that 3 balls stems like this. Yeah, I know it's not horror, but let's keep trying. Now using blood texture for making somehow realistic this is.
Look the video carefully and see how many steps makes the blood realistic in the eye. After that, we'll make full bright shine in the backdrop of eyeball. As the shines come from the room, so we'll make the shadows in the eye. So the shadows will be brightest in the eyeballs to make the poster very cool and dramatic. I will just simply say shadows is the main part of the video. And Photoshop, they are simply brothers. Okay, I will don't forget 2 eyes with shadows. Just leave it to me.
I will make solid color layer to make the background somehow better. Now it looks some decent. Now it's a turn for great ghost. Now time to adjust the ghost by using Ctrl T. After that we just need bright shine in the ghost eye and a murderer in the backside of the eye. And I guess that you have seen this killer in horror videos or vlogs on YouTube. Now I just adjust the lights on the killer. Now this photo will make me satisfied. Because of the trees and the branches make the photo most deeper. Now we will just adjust this Halloween tree from using Ctrl T and also adjust its lighting. Perfect. Now move on another step. Now quickly add this mop and bucket of the water quickly because someone was mopping around here. Now it looks fine. Now this tiny particle effects will make the poster more cool and fantasy. Because a wise person said that tiny particles will improve your poster for better experience. Oh, I think Benny said that. No. Now continue this video. Now I have the spider cobweb photo because it gives us old type vibes to a house. Just give me a second to adjust this photo. Now it looks mind blowing. Now everyone know that what we have to do in the last. Of course, camera raw filter. Now it's done. Now we are going to make real poster. It needs text and titles of the posters and the descriptions, logos of the companies. So I have downloaded it from Chrome. So let's apply. So the poster is complete. So that's it. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so you never miss any single uploads. Then I'll see you in my next video.
Deep